What's up guys, here's a quick update on the printer before I move it to its new home. I've had it doing a few bits and pieces, playing around trying to work out what I can and can't make. I've got most of the... I've lost it, look at the half. Got most of the way through a GoPro cover. This is only half of it. It started going stringy for some reason. Made a mess of it. It actually ended up falling in half. Or maybe the infill density wasn't high enough. I will try that one again with a higher density. I've had a few failures and a few wins. This one's meant to be a drip tip for a e-cigarette vape thing. It's actually got like a S shape in it so that it's traps whatever goes up in there. It wasn't a complete fail. The bottom part there where you'd put your O-rings is a bit horrible. I've just got to knock some of the stuff off the top there. But for something that's round that I've never played with before, it came out alright. These two come out awesome. These are IMAX B6 clamps. You slide your IMAX in there, it sits up on a 45 where the heat sink can be just free and not impeded by the desk or any heat on the desk. So that's a cool one. The print quality of them's quite good. That was on fast mode, so it's not the slowest and neatest it can be. I know. Just gently give this a bit of encouragement to come out. Oh, it looks neat. This was done on fast mode as well. It feels reasonable. Righto, let's get this support off. This frame around the outside is just a support to help the printer build it. Use it like a foundation so otherwise it can fall over. You'll see I have a few of those. And what we actually have here is a wall mounted holder for these M12 Milwaukee batteries. So it's made that that gets mounted to the wall. So you screw this backing plate to the wall, and then your M12 slash the little compact batteries and these bigger high capacities slide in there, and it mounts them firm and solid so they can't fall off or fall out in your toolbox, or if you've got a nice neat workshop, you hang them all up on the wall and that holds them. So the next question is, the print bed's empty. Now what are we going to print? Let's find something to print. Alright, let's make one of these. It's a only 650 charge that takes TP 4056 in the side of it. So zap one of these out and see what it's like. I'm using XYZ, what's it called, XYZ, brain fade. So it's got, the bottom's printed so that it's got some spring to it, so you don't actually need a spring, you just need a contact in each end. Just a little spot on the side to hold the TP 4056. Get this printed and I'll show you what it's like at the end. There it is, it's just finished. Waiting for the platform to cool down a bit and it'll come down by itself in a minute. We'll peel it off and have a look at how we've gone. Alright, let's get her out. Hot out of the oven. That's pretty cool. Little slot to hold the TP. 4056. Keep saying it wrong. Little plus and minus in there in the shape of the battery. We ended up with a lot of these, but that's just a byproduct of the print, I guess. So this should be, oh yeah, it's got a bit of spring to it. Right, won't tease this anymore. I'll make a video of rigging this up with some terminals, putting a TP in it and using it later. This thing's going really well. It's not faulting as much as it was when I first started using it. I don't know if it was just me stuffing up or what, but now it's going great guns at the moment. So I've done 22 hours worth of printing on it so far. It says I've still got 63 meters on cartridge 1 and 114 on cartridge 2, which I didn't actually have to pay for those cartridges because this was a store demo. They were in there. Happy days. They printed off one little frog with multicolours. Just a That's what they said it looks like. That's what it looks like. If it works out well, I'm gonna print up 20 of them, make my own awesomest charger thingy, epoxy them down onto a bit of plastic or something. Mate will be able to get me some epoxy. Happy days. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying these new 3D print videos. I think this thing's amazing. You might have seen it all before, not a big deal. But yeah, the cool things are stacking up. Its value is certainly being shown. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Catch us in the next video.